Hi everyone, welcome back to Monday Meds. I'm your health educator Tanisha Lawrence, and this is your Monday Meds. Yes, your Monday Meds. Thank you for liking, sharing, and commenting and subscribing to our channel. It does mean a lot and it does help us. So thank you so much. So yes, as we talk about what to do when there is no doctor, what to do when there's no doctor, use onion. So today we will be showing you how you can use onion, and remember we're talking about natural antibiotics. So we'll show you how you can use onions as a natural antibiotic. Keep watching. Disclaimer, I am no medical doctor, and so these natural remedies are shared as recommendations. Use considerately. What to do when there is no doctor? Use onions. Keep watching. Here we have the onion, and yes, you want to take the skin off. Peel the skin off, and remember the skin can be used medicinally too. You can actually wash the skin and boil it and drink the water or drink the liquid. So yes, you want to peel the skin off, and remember onions are not just for food, but yes, you can use it on your skin. You can actually use onion on your skin for skin problems. So here we have the onion, and the bigger the onion the better it is, because you will have more volume. So we're gonna cut it. You can cut it right there on the same plate, because the idea is that you want to cut it. So you cutting it in two, and you want to give about a quarter inch of onion there. Cut a quarter inch size of onion. There you have it. And we're going to show you what we're going to do with it. So I feel like I cut it better this way than actually putting it on the plate. But yes, you want to always cut away from yourself like that. So yeah, there you have it. You have the two onion rings. So yeah, it's about that. One is bigger, but hey, you want it to be flat. You want it to be as flat as possible. And so we're going to show you what we'll do with it. All right, so keep watching. So yes, you have these. We're going to put those aside. But yes, for these that's left, we'll show you how you can use this that's left, and we're going to actually get it sprouted for the next generation. So keep watching. We'll show you that in another video. And yes, you can use this to cook with. Yeah, don't throw it out. Use it all up. So you may be saying, what am I going to be doing with these onions? These onion slices. All right, so we are going to be using them. As promised, we told you that we'll be showing you how you can use onions for colds. And yes, so we're going to be putting one slice of onion under the foot bottom right there, and you want to do it in the center right there, right? Okay, so we're going to do that. But yes, so here is a pair of socks that we're going to use. So first you want to prepare the sock, or prepare each foot of socks. I'm going to put the sock on your foot, halfway on your foot. Put the socks halfway on your foot, and then you're gonna slide the onion in the middle right there. Stick it in right there, and then you just hold the onion in place. And if you're doing it for someone, it's easier than if you're doing it for yourself. And then you just put the socks further on your foot. And you want to use a pair of socks that's closely fitting, like that. Closely fitting, like that. And what happens is the onion, it's gonna stay there all night. So you do this to go to bed, and you're gonna do it with the other foot. So what you do with one foot, you do with the other foot. So it's best to put the socks on, put it on like that. And yes, this is a saucer, but of course we will be cleaning it after this. So put it, I'm gonna use the onion. And yes, try to keep the onion the skin on it. It actually helps to keep it in place. And we're gonna put it halfway here. Stick it under, and then if you don't keep the skin on, it's okay. The idea is that you want to keep the onion in place. You don't want the rings to start falling apart. You want to keep it in place, and you want it to be flat on the foot. Flat like that. Flat like that. And there you have it. Onions under your feet. And this helps to clear up respiratory illness like colds, flus, coughs. Yes. So you do that for all night to go to bed. And why you need a tightly fitting or closely fitting socks is that the onion doesn't move out of place. All right. And you may be wondering, what are we going to do with this one? Well, so this is the top part of the onion. Yes, so you don't want to waste any of the onion. So we're going to rest this piece of onion near the bedside or close to the person who is having the cough or the cold or the flu. If you can put it under their pillow, even better. But I would say just put it close to their bed or to their head. And what happens is this onion will help to clean the air around there of any virus or bacteria around their bed or around the atmosphere of where they are. So yeah, onion is a great antibiotic. And stay tuned for part 2. We will share with you more on how you can use onion in our next feature next week. Keep watching. And yes, after use, you can bag it up and you can put it in the refrigerator, and you can definitely have it again for another use. So you can use it for one more night before tossing it out. As we shared with you the benefits of using onions as a natural antibiotic, yes, onion oil, you can use it in your hair also as a great hair growth booster. So yes, remember that. And we did share with you the onion oil video, how to make it. As we wrap up Monday Meds today, I'm reminded of the Bible verse or the parable of the lepers. The 10 lepers came to Jesus. They had leprosy and they were healed by Jesus, and only one came back. Yes, only one onion came back to say thank you. Don't be like the 9 who were ungrateful, but be like that onion, one person who came back to say thank you. God be with you. Thanks for watching. Be sure to like, share, comment, subscribe. Be sure to click the notification bell to get updates on all our new videos. Keep watching.